Hello everyone! If you're generating images or videos with Flow and run into the 403 public error unusual activity error, 403 permission denied, or 499 resource exhausted, even though you've only generated a few images or videos, don't worry. This has become a very common issue with Flow recently. This issue is happening globally and on Flow's Discord server. Many users are reporting it. However, there still doesn't seem to be any official fix from Flow. Or maybe this is their silent way of limiting image and video generation. Fortunately, this problem can usually be fixed very quickly with a few simple steps. First, try switching your authentication method to use the browser extension. Method number 1. Go to Settings. Open the Flow account section. Disable all current accounts and add a new account. A regular free Gmail account works fine. Then try generating images or videos again. If you still keep getting 403 or 429 errors, then your device may have been intentionally limited by Flow. The solution now is to download Proton VPN, go to protonvpn.com, and follow the steps shown in the video to create a free account. Proton VPN is very effective because it can deeply mask your connection information. Now download and install Proton VPN on your computer to use it with the account you just created. The process is similar on macOS. Then connect to any server and try generating again. And now it works again. If it still doesn't work, simply switch to another server and try again a few times. Usually, one of these two methods is enough to fix Flow's random generation limits. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like so I can continue sharing more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.